Are you still using the same old spice racks and boring bins everyone keeps showing? Wait till you see these genius kitchen organization hacks you've probably never seen before. These are fresh Amazon finds and TikTok favorites that can transform your kitchen, whether it's big or small. And here's the best part. Each hack saves space, cuts clutter, and makes your kitchen look amazing. Stick with me till the end, because hack number 10 is something so unique, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Hack number 1. Magnetic Spice Rack. Let's start with spices, because they always create the biggest mess. Instead of using the same old cabinet racks, try a magnetic spice rack that sticks right on your fridge or any metal surface. It saves tons of cabinet space, looks modern, and keeps your spices within easy reach. This is one of those Amazon kitchen finds that instantly makes your kitchen more organized and stylish. Hack number 2. Pull-out under-sink organizer. Now let's talk about the space under your sink. Most people just throw cleaning bottles down there and hope for the best. But with a pull-out under-sink organizer, everything slides out smoothly. No more digging through clutter. This is a perfect kitchen storage solution that works especially well in small kitchens where every inch counts. Hack number 3. Collapsible dish drying rack. If your countertop always feels crowded, this hack is for you. A collapsible dish drying rack can hold a full load of dishes, then fold flat when you're done. It's a genius space-saving kitchen idea that keeps your counters clear and your kitchen looking clutter-free. This hack has been trending as a TikTok kitchen favorite, and once you try it, you'll see why. Hack number 4. Rotating tier basket. Snacks, onions, or potatoes. They always end up in random corners. A rotating tier basket solves this instantly. You can stack your veggies, fruits, or even pantry snacks in one place, and simply spin it to grab what you need. It's not just practical, it also adds a farmhouse-style charm to your kitchen. This is one of those space-saving kitchen ideas that looks good and works even better. Hack number 5. Hidden wall-mounted cutting board. Here's a hack most people haven't seen. A wall-mounted cutting board that slides right out when you need it and disappears when you don't. No bulky boards lying around on the counter. It's a smart kitchen storage solution for anyone who wants a clean, clutter-free kitchen. Plus, it frees up counter space, which is gold in small kitchens. Hack number 6. Clip-on pot strainer. Now this one is a total TikTok kitchen hack. Instead of using big colanders that take up half your cabinet, get a clip-on pot strainer. Just snap it onto your pot and drain pasta, rice, or veggies without moving food into another container. It's simple, affordable, and one of those clever Amazon kitchen finds that makes cooking so much easier. Hack number 7. Transparent, stackable canisters. Let's talk about pantry chaos. Bags of flour, sugar, and cereal never stay neat. The solution? Transparent, stackable canisters with pour lids. They save shelf space, look super sleek, and keep everything fresh. This is one of the most practical kitchen storage solutions that also gives you that Pinterest-perfect vibe. Once you line these up, your pantry will look like a magazine spread. Hack number 8. Adjustable drawer organizers. They're the black hole of every kitchen, full of random spoons, knives, and gadgets. Instead of one-size-fits-all trays, use adjustable drawer organizers that expand to fit perfectly. This is a space-saving kitchen idea that makes sure every single utensil has a home. No more digging around for that missing spatula. Hack number 9. Foldable trash bin for cabinets. Here's a hack that's genius for small kitchens. A foldable trash bin that hangs right on your cabinet door. You can toss veggie scraps directly while cooking, then fold it flat when you're done. It keeps your counters clean, saves floor space, and makes your kitchen feel instantly more organized. It's a simple but powerful Amazon kitchen find. And finally, hack number 10. This one blew my mind. Imagine all your sauces, oils, and condiments sitting on a multi-layer rotating organizer. Instead of shoving bottles into the back of a cabinet and forgetting about them, this hack lets you spin and see everything in seconds. It saves cabinet space, keeps your kitchen clutter-free, and makes cooking so much faster. This is one of those kitchen organization hacks you haven't seen before. And trust me, once you try it, you'll never go back to messy shelves again. So there you have it. 10 fresh and unique kitchen organization hacks that save space, cut clutter, and make your kitchen look amazing. From magnetic spice racks to foldable bins and the genius rotating condiment organizer, these hacks are both practical and stylish. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which hack was your favorite? Comment below and tell me if you've tried any of these, or if you've got your clever ideas to share. If this video helped you, please hit the like button so more people can discover these hacks. And don't forget to subscribe, because in my next video, I'll be sharing budget-friendly kitchen decor ideas that look luxurious. Trust me, you won't want to miss it.